What's up, YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. And today I am doing an unboxing for the pink iPad 10th generation, and I also got the Apple Pencil, and then I had to get accessories. I got my screen protectors, and I got 2 iPad cases. So a lot of y'all seen this one, like, it's all over TikTok. So many people have it, like, and I wanted to because it's cute. And then I got a pink one, and it's clear on the back. And then because we got the composition one, got my stickers because we're gonna decorate. And then for my pencil, I got a pencil case as well. It's cute. All right, y'all. So what I'm gonna do is set up my camera because I am going to record for TikTok and YouTube at the same time. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Y'all, I'm trying to come back. It's 2023. They said the girls that got the iPads got their life together, and I need my life together. So we're gonna see what they're talking about. So stay tuned to the next clip. right, y'all. This video has worn me out. But I did film me actually like kind of putting on the stickers for my TikTok. So you'll be able to go on TikTok and check it out. It'll be under J Dior Collection. But y'all, I am finished setting it up. I am going to download my apps and all of that stuff, and then I can come back with a what's on my iPad once I get it situated. But yeah, that's it. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will catch you on the next video.